How to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to launch MetaMask application on a device and you need to authenticate in order to use the application. So if you are new to MetaMask, ensure you are connected to the Ethereum main network. To check or switch networks, you can click the top down arrow at the top and select Ethereum main network from the list. And then you are on the right network. So let's buy some Ethereum. You have to click the drop down menu and select your reason for the purchase. In the amount section, enter how much Ethereum you want to buy. Update your payment method by clicking the arrow and selecting from the options like Apple Pay, debit or credit card, PayPal or instant bank transfer, and choose the method that works best for you. And after that, you need to click on Get Codes to see the current rate for Ethereum. Once you have your code, select it and you'll be redirected to the payment page and enter your payment details. And you have to follow the prompts, and that's it. You will successfully buy Ethereum on MetaMask wallet. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.